Okay, part 2, 2016, question number 1, 8. Consider the following table with tasks related to editing an image indicated by the letters W to Z, even in the first column. Tools available in typical image editing software indicated by numbers 1 to 4 are given in the second column. However, formatting tasks and tools are not in the correct order. Match the task given in the first column to the correct tool in the second column. Write down the letters and the numbers of correct tool in your answer book. So the first one it does, that is W, selecting part of the image based on its color. Yes, we were discussing different ways of selecting it. Which one should be this? Yes. So that should be, W should be, fourth one is a date. If you remember that, we discussed this tool. We discussed this tool. Yes, what was the name given to this tool? Anyone? What is this tool? This tool? Jimendi? Yes, this is called fuzzy, right? Or magic wand in Photoshop. This is called fuzzy. So that's selecting a part of image based on color. So this is the answer. And then X, moving a selected part of the image. Right, move, that's the easy one. So that's a move tool. That's the first one. Erase part of the image. Again, it's an easy one. It's an eraser. So we can make use of eraser tool here. So Y is 2. And change the color of the selected part of the image. Yes. Change the color of a part of the image. So that means we have to use this. In this one, it's called bucket fill. Right, so this is called bucket fill. Remember the names of these tools. Otherwise, you may forget this, right? So the magic wand, usually the term magic wand we use in Photoshop. But in GIMP, we call this as fuzzy select, the first one. Okay, correct answers I got from Jivendi, Vishmi, and Dira only. I expect others to send the answers. Okay, having said that, let's move to the next one. This is easy. Consider the given diagram. Give an example for hardware, application software, and liveware. Identify the write down the one component represented by X. Yes. Yes, Prasad. What is the answer for this? I don't know the name. It says Prasad. So, Prasad, what's the answer? First of all, you have to give an example for each hardware application software and liveware. Yes. Okay, let's start with X. What is X? So what is X? So this can be, what is X? Yes, you can use system software, or else you can say operating system. So system software, or particularly you can say this is operating system. Yes. Okay. So having said that, now we have hardware, system software, or we can say operating system, and application software and liveware. Okay, give me example. Yes, hardware. Chaturya, give me an example for hardware. Yes, Chaturya. Okay, so you can say printer. Yes, let's look at the answers given by you. Okay, we can have PC, smartphone, printer, mouse, keyboard, anything if you have written, it's correct. Then system software. Okay, it will not ask the system software thing, so we'll forget about this. Application software. What are the application software? The examples, right? Word, Excel, PowerPoint, whatever. Microsoft Office, Photoshop, Gym, right? Anything if you have put it, you will get the marks. So that is application software. What is liveware? I said some time back, we came across this. Liveware means the users who uses this, and then you can say, okay, anyone which uses this. It could be a student, it could be a teacher, it could be a user, right? So you'll get marks. Okay, let's move on to the next one. Okay, consider the following program segment in Pascal. Consider the following program in Pascal. Write the output of the above program. Yes. Let's start. What do you have to do? Yes, it's a create an array, isn't it? So it's called num. Then you can have 5, 0 to 4 index. So indexes are from 0 to 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And basically you are assigning different numbers here. So question asks what is inside this array? Right? That was the question. Okay, let's start. Yes, so we have put num array. Index goes from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So the first one, we have num 0. Then second one, num 1, num 2, num 3. And finally, we have num 4. So let's start with the first one. It says num 0 is equal to 50. So this is 50. Okay. And then num2 says 18. So this is 18 now. Num4 is 50. So this is 50. Then num1 is num4 plus 10. So num1 means num4, that is 50 plus 10. So this is 50. So 50 plus 10. So this becomes 60. Then num3 is num0. So that is 15. And num2, that is 18. So which means this is 33. So this is 33. Now question asks you what are the answers. It says right len, which means It goes from, remember, many of you actually got the wrong answer because index start with 1 here. So that first one is num1, which means 60. Then num2, so that is 18. Num3, that is 33. Then num4, that is 50. Yes, this is the correct answer. I got correct answers from Vishmi. Yes. And then I got answers from Chaturya, Nilan and Taraka, but then they have not realized the first one. Start with 1. Okay. Okay, 2016 part 2, question number 2. 1. Description of different malware, malicious software labeled with letters A to D. A list of different malware are given in the first and second columns of the following labels respectively. However, description and malware are not in the correct order. Okay, match the correct malware from second column to the description given in the first column. Write down the letter of the description and correct malware in your answer book. So please put A, B, C, D and with the malware values. Harmless and enters without the knowledge of the users and then could steal or delete data. So that is we call spyware, Trojan horse. Collection of information about bank account or electronic account using